Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Land Rover Discovery key battery. First, identify your specific key fob model, as designs can vary slightly. You will need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit workspace to avoid misplacing any tiny components during the process. This simple task can save you a trip to the dealership. Now let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side or bottom edge of the key. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the key fob should begin to separate. Be careful not to apply too much force, as the plastic casing can be delicate. Take your time to avoid any damage. Once the key fob is open, you will see the old CR2032 battery. Pay close attention to its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old battery using your screwdriver or fingernail. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. This ensures proper contact. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until you hear a click, indicating they are securely fastened. Once reassembled, test all the key fob's functions, like locking and unlocking your doors, to ensure everything is working correctly. If you're looking for other great deals, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and more. Enjoy your fully functional key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.